Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy A27 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. And here we need to scroll all the way down just like that and go to General Management. Then let's tap on Language, which is at the very top of the list. So tap on it and here tap on Add Language, so plus icon. As you can see here, you've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which you can choose. So all you need to do is to find your language and tap on it. And I'll pick this one. Here you can choose the region, so just tap on the region you want to use. And your device will ask you if you want to set it as a default language. So just tap on this option on the right, so set as default, and the Spanish language will be immediately applied at the top of the list, and from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. If you've got more than one language added, you can simply tap on the language you want to use and tap on apply, and your device will immediately reorder the languages. If you want to, you can also remove the language from this list. Just tap on edit in the right upper corner, mark the language by tapping on it and tap on remove. And then tap on remove and we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.